Take a ride in the 2017 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, body color door handles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.